If you hear fire alarm voice, what would you do? In this video we provide fire emergency training for technical or non-technical. Firstly, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. If you are non-technical and hear alarm sound, there is some safety procedures. Do not panic. Just wait for 30 seconds. Maybe it is fake alarm or maybe maintenance team working on it. If it is continues alarming, run towards the nearest assembly point and say fire fire while running. If you do not know where is assembly point, you follow the people or emergency exit sign board. If you are in top floor, do not use elevator. Use only stairs or emergency stairs. Your first priority is to save yourself. Reach the assembly point. Do not escape anywhere rather than assembly point because in assembly point there is an in charge, who count peoples. So you should attend and mark as a safe. If you are fire technician and hear alarm sound, so you have some procedures. Firstly, go to the panel room and silence all sounders before 30 seconds by pressing silence button. Fire panel show the address. Check the location. Run towards the noted location or confirm there is fire or not. If there is real fire, then generate alarm by pressing nearest fire push button or by pressing sound alarm button on panel. After generated alarm, people is going to evacuate the building. Call to fire station. If you think you can able to control fire with the help of extinguisher, if you have training of fire extinguisher, so try to put out the fire while fire tender on the way. If there was not real fire, just create fake alarm. Clean and reset the device and come back to panel room. Press reset button for normalize the panel. Thank you for watching. If you learned from something from the video, please like, share and subscribe.